Hey everybody, there's a few things that I wanted to wrap up from our lecture yesterday in web-based tools. First of all, I was wrong about the trial period on Transmit, the FTP software. It's not a 30-day free trial, it's a 7-day free trial. So if you were using that, you may want to switch over and use CyberDuck because your trial on Transmit is going to run out pretty quickly. The second thing is we ran into some problems trying to edit our files by using CyberDuck and its connection to TextEdit. And I found a solution to that, and I want to walk you through it here so that you can mess around with editing your index.html file. So here's how to get CyberDuck to work with TextEdit in a way that makes sense. So I've got CyberDuck open, and I've got it connected to my FTP server. The first thing I want to do is go over here to Preferences and make sure that my editor is set to TextEdit. You may have a bunch of different options in there, but TextEdit is the one that I want to go with. Next, I'm going to launch TextEdit, and I'm going to come up here to Preferences, and one of the preferences that I can set is under Open and Save, and it's the preference to display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Make sure that this is checked, and then when you use TextEdit to edit your HTML files, so if I come here, now it'll show it to me as actual HTML, and I can modify all of these different tags and texts, and it won't show up as I won't get all the rest of this in the HTML file. It'll treat it as HTML code and not as fancy text. So that should solve the issue for you. Feel free to start messing around and experimenting with that index file. Next week at the start of class, we're going to delete it and start over with something new, so nothing you do will screw up the index file. That's all I got for you. I'll see you guys back in class on Wednesday.